Good afternoon, students.
Good afternoon, sir.
Thank you. Sit down.
Thank you, sir.
Today I am going to teach you from light, and it is related to refraction of light and total internal reflection. I have taught you about total internal reflection, how mirage is formed, and what are the causes of that the real depth of a pond is more than the apparent depth. So today I am going to tell you in detail about total internal reflection and what are its conditions. There are two media required for total internal reflection. The light ray must pass from denser to rarer medium. Number one. Suppose this is glass slab, a denser medium, and this medium is air or rarer medium. This is denser medium glass and air is rarer medium. You know the critical angle of glass? What? 42 degree. 42 degree. Water? 49 degree. You should always mind this critical angle of water and glass. Now, suppose this is a ray of light. This ray of light is passing from denser glass to rarer air medium. And we have read that when a ray of light passes from denser to rarer medium, it bends away from the normal. Very good. It bends away from the normal. So this ray of light bends away from the normal, and this angle is angle of refraction. And this angle is angle of incidence. Two angles are there, angle of refraction and angle of incidence. Angle I and angle R. And this angle of refraction is greater than angle of incidence when light passes from denser to rarer medium. So if we go on increasing this angle of incidence, I, what happens? The angle of refraction further increases. Okay? The angle of refraction further increases. In such a condition, when angle of refraction is at 90 degree, this angle of incidence is called what angle? Critical angle. This angle of incidence is called critical angle. If we make angle of incidence greater than critical angle, what condition? If we make this angle of incidence greater than critical angle, means in class what it should be? Greater than 42 degree. Very good. Greater than 42 degree. What happens? The light ray reflects in the same medium inside the glass. This type of reflection of light is called total internal reflection. What? Total internal reflection. So from this diagram you can compute the two conditions required for total internal reflection. First condition, light must what? Pass from denser to rarer medium. Rarer medium. Second what? The angle of incidence what? Incidence must be greater than critical angle. The angle of incidence must be what? Greater than critical angle. Okay? That you know, the angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle. So these two conditions must be satisfied for the formation of total internal reflection, for occurring total internal reflection. So this light pipe, you know about light pipe? Yes? All you know what is light pipe? What is light pipe? What is light pipe? You know about light pipe or not? What is light pipe? Huh? What is light pipe? Please you stand up. What is light pipe? Very good. Sit down. The pipe backs on total internal reflection, inside which all the ray of light undergoes total internal reflection, and it is used in endoscopy. This pipe is used in endoscopy, that is based on total internal reflection. That is based on total internal reflection. Understand? What are two conditions? The light ray must pass from denser to rarer medium. And second one, the angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle. You all know this? The light ray must pass from denser to rarer medium. The angle of incidence must be greater than critical angle. Okay, students, today we have read and discussed about this refraction of light and total internal reflection and its conditions, and some of the effects of total internal reflection we will discuss tomorrow, next class, okay?